little treasure tucked away in the heart of Honshu in central Japan. It's something out of a time capsule, a place called Meiji Mura, and it's full of treasures from the Victorian age. Including this wonderful little railway, a ride on Japan's oldest steam train. Japan is famous for its bullet trains, busy subways, and sleek intercity expresses. But what's really surprising is how many wonderful heritage and tourist railways there are crisscrossing the country. Meiji Mura is home to some iconic architecture, like the front of the original Imperial Hotel from central Tokyo, designed in the 1920s by Frank Lloyd Wright and moved brick by brick to this quirky location.
Magnificent, mate. Absolutely sensational. Wouldn't miss it for the world.
So join us when we next explore the many wonders to be found riding the myriad of trains around this fascinating country on Railway Adventures in Japan.